It is Tuesday, March the 15th, 2022, and we do have some spring breakers down for spring break here in Orange Beach and Gulf Shores. Had some showers and storms moving through earlier today, so we're going to take a look at the beaches to see who's down. Just got to Cotton Bayou Public Beach Access, and the parking lot is empty, but storms are moving out, so should turn out to be a pretty day. We'll go take a look at the beach. Rare to see this parking lot this empty, especially this time of year. Everybody's out shopping. Few people starting to venture out. Strong, rough surf out there today. Got the flag standing straight out. The dreary morning has kept people away from the fish park here at Perdido Pass Bridge also. And no one over at Alabama Point. Sun trying to peek its way through. Still a lot of hurricane damage down here. Empty parking lot here underneath the Perdido Pass Bridge at the Alabama Point Public Beach Access. The area right there directly under the bridge itself is closed off throughout all of the spring breaks for safety. This whole area right here closed. And there's Cobalt. Construction on the new beachfront restaurant and parking areas well underway here in Orange Beach. Very windy beach day. This parking lot behind me here at Romar Beach Public Access is pretty vacant also, but I'm betting the more that wind pushes these clouds and storms away, that's going to change quickly. There's the sun. We'll head on down to the Gulf State Park Pavilion and the Gulf State Park Pier, see how the crowds are there, see if more people are starting to come out yet. I did find most of the people. They're at the arcades and amusement parks and on the roads, and I'm also guessing the outlets are pretty covered up today. But going to be a beautiful afternoon and evening here in Orange Beach and Gulf Shores. Lots of new construction going up. can see a few more people coming out down towards Gulf Shores down there, towards Sea and Suds. Quite a few people out on the pier today. Those waves are huge compared to normal. Rainy, stormy mornings at the beach turn into beautiful beach afternoons. Thank you for watching the videos.